honestly, for once, well done to Sefton Council. Liverpool Council wish they'd use a little bit of this. Whilst queuing, use both lanes. Absolutely fabulous. Stops everyone wanting to push in and emerge early. Literally use all the road and get all the way down to the front. It's actually quite refreshing. And if you're in this lane, don't be triggered by people in the left lane moving quicker than you. Honestly, it's irrelevant. You're all going to get to your own destination, but it just stops people pushing in early and cutting in early and then causing hold-ups for everyone. Use both lanes and go all the way down to the front. Well done, Sefton Council. What I would like to add though, it's a shame that they feel as though they've got to put these signs on to make people do the correct things. The mentality of having to queue early needs to be got rid of, peeps.
And if people did do this properly, both queues would move at exactly the same speed. But then there's always going to be that single person who refuses to do as the signs say and use all the road space and wants to push in early. Now, I know it's not a big issue, but what he's doing is actually making the queue in the left lane 100 or so yards longer because he's trying to get in now and the road doesn't merge until much further down the bottom.
But there's always one who can't read the signs.
That then causes a chain reaction of the people behind them who feel it's cheeky to go even further.
Funny. Should be down here where people are merging in turn. Use all the road space.
So the next time you've got two lanes joining into one, and you usually queue in the right or the left really early, try it this way. Go down the other side and go all the way down to the front, because the more people who do it, the more accepted it's going to be. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you all soon.